Why you should never use public Wi-Fi without this trick. Eye2future, hey, future fam. Welcome back to Eye2future, where we decode the tech world and keep you one step ahead. Today, we're tackling a digital danger lurking in plain sight: public Wi-Fi. Think it's harmless? Think again. In this video, we'll reveal why using public Wi-Fi without this one crucial trick is a huge risk and how you can protect yourself. Free Wi-Fi. Those two words are like a siren song, especially when you're out and about and need to connect. But that sweet free connection can quickly turn sour if you're not careful. Public Wi-Fi hotspots are often unsecured, meaning anyone, including hackers, can snoop on your online activity. Imagine this. You're checking your bank account, logging into social media, or even just browsing your emails on a public Wi-Fi network. Without proper protection, a hacker could intercept your data, stealing your passwords, credit card information, personal messages, and more. Public Wi-Fi is a hacker's playground. They can set up fake hotspots that look legitimate, tricking you into connecting to their network. Once you're connected, they have access to everything you do online. But it's not just hackers you need to worry about. Even legitimate Wi-Fi providers can collect and sell your data to third parties. Your browsing history, location data, and other personal information can be used to build a detailed profile of you, which can then be used for targeted advertising or other purposes. So what's the solution? How can you use public Wi-Fi safely? The answer is simple: a VPN. A virtual private network, or VPN, creates a secure, encrypted connection between your device and the internet. Think of it as a private tunnel that shields your data from prying eyes. When you use a VPN, your internet traffic is routed through a secure server, masking your IP address and encrypting your data, making it virtually impossible for hackers or anyone else to intercept it. Setting up a VPN is easy. There are many reputable VPN services available, offering apps for all your devices. Simply download the app, create an account, and connect. It's that simple. Don't leave your online security to chance. Using a VPN is the single most important thing you can do to protect yourself when using public Wi-Fi. It's a small investment that can save you from a world of trouble.